Namaste, this is S.K. Batin Rahman from Faculty of Pharmacy in the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Now we discussion about second part of DNA replication. In the molecular biology, DNA replication is the biological process of processing of two identical replication of DNA from the one original DNA molecule. DNA replication occur in living organism. Okay. DNA occur in living organism. This is a memory. This is in living organism. Every type of living organism are mainly produced in by the DNA replication. DNA replication process. DNA replication likely biological polymerization process was produced in the three enzymatic catalysis of coordinating the step of initial elongation and termination. Initial. In a cell division, it is must be replicated in DNA polymer, okay, and DNA polymer, DNA replication, all the non-process in non-one replication DNA. The process of complication, one of the replication complete does not occur against the same cell cycle. This is the made up possibility division initial re-replication complex. Re-replication complex, the last mitosis and the earlier G1 phase, a large complex of initial protein assemble. This is a 3D replication complex, a particular point in DNA, known as origin. E. coli are primarily initial protein of DNA. In yeast, there are three origins of recognition. Complex sequence, usually initial protein obtains to at reach rise in adenine and thymine. Because of AT base are repaired to hydrogen bond, there are easier strand of separate. Eukaryotic origin is the recognize the complex catalysis of assembly initial protein into the replication complex. Code C, code 1 is associated with bond of origin. Recognize the complex at the origin order from this large complex is necessary MCM complex, one of the DNA. MCS complex, it is the helicase, it is the rural DNA, helix replication origin of replication form in the eukaryotic. MCM, it is the complex of the G1 phase, loading of ORG, coding C, complex DNA and ATP. If environment condition is later G1 phase and G1 phase 1 by the C1 cyclic coding complex is stimulation by the genetic code by DNA synthesis. In the similar, CDC is required for CDCS7 also required for S phase activated the replication of origin of CDCS not be activated through the C cell cycle into the activated stress, trying to avoid the permanent initial DNA replication. Let's G1 CDC activated rise of the cell result associated with the regulation of stimulation B DBFF cell, which is the codon of directly promoted the cell. Earliest is phase, it is the actively assembly of the activated of the different type of complex. Okay, in elongation phase, in the firstly occur is a process. Okay, now we discussion about a different type of how to replication are started. The first is based of the known mechanism. It is itself by the cellular organism. The mechanism of 1 and 2 stand of separation of primate, added of RNA primate template, leading to receive mRNA while lagging and receiving severance. The leading to stand a continuous extended of primary DNA polymerase with highly processed, while lagging stand are extended of discontinuous from the primary form. Okazaki fragment and the DNA is which remove the primates of RNA fragment. And the lower process DNA polymerase, distinct from the polymerase replicate a polymerase interact to the fill of gap. When the complex is a single link of the leading strand of several link of lagging strand can be found. Lagging work as a field of link in the completing newly replication DNA polymerase. Primase used in a process of different significant between the bacteria and bacteria eukaryotic because the bacteria is the primary belong to the DNAs polymerase of similar of polymerase. Okay, replication fork. This is the replication fork structure of the form of long helical DNA. During the DNA replication is created by helix. This is a breakdown of hydrogen bond with two DNA strand with helical reserve or strand with two branch of bonds and the one of the made of strand of DNA. Two strand of several template of leading to lagging strand, which is the created DNA polymerase match of complex of DNA nucleotide to the template. Template may be probably referred to as leading strand template and lagging strand template. DNA is ready to DNA polymerase 5' to 3' to 5' direction. Means the new strand of synthesis of 5' to 3' direction. Since there are leading and lagging strand, is originated the opposite direction of replication fork. A major issue of the synthesis of new lagging DNA strand whose directly synthesized of opposite direction of replication. Leading strand is a strand with new DNA which is synthesized in the similar direction of replication fork. DNA fork are continuous. Lagging strand is the stand for DNA of whose direction of synthesis is opposite direction in the growth of replication fork. Because of the orientation, replication of the lagging strand more complicated as a compare of this leading strand and consequence the DNA polymerase strand with lagging strand other strand. The lagging strand is synthesized in the short separate one of the lagging strand of template. Primase leads to template DNA initial synthesis of the complementary DNA primase. DNA polymerase extended a primary segment of octave fragment. DNA polymerase has been removed the replication of DNA. The fragment of DNA is joined to the together of DNA polymerase. Dynamic and replication fork. In the case of helicase of the compare of 26 polypeptide, graph of the only strand of DNA replication fork or the two polymerases are bound to the helical helicase helimer. In the epithelium eukaryotic helicase of the leading strand of prokaryotic graph of the lagging strand. Helicase of the unwheel or unwheeling of the DNA replication fork, DNA ahead of force to rotate. This is the result of building up twice of DNA ahead. This is the building form of the torus and the resistance of the eventually in replication fork. In the topoisomerase enzyme is template of breakdown of strand DNA, reveal of the tension of the unveiling to the strand of DNA helix. Topoisomerase is achieved by the added of negative supercoiling of DNA helix. Bar of single distant DNA or fold of backward of the secondary structure of DNA to prevent the single strand binding protein. Binding to the DNA and with the secondary strand of synthesis prevent the secondary strand of formation. Dual strand DNA coil of the stone is play important role of regulation of expression of DNA replication must be around histone is the place of origin of DNA. Okay, DNA replication protein. One of DNA helicase, also known as destabilized enzyme. DNA helicase are separate the two strands of DNA replication fork behind the topoisomerase. DNA polymerase. The enzyme are responsible for catalyze the addition of nucleotide substance to DNA 5' to 3' direction during the DNA replication. Also perform the proof of the reading of the error correction. The existing many different type of DNA polymerase case of they perform different function of different type of cell. DNA a single strand DNA binding protein binding to ssDNA of prevent the DNA helicase. It is the de-nailing after the DNA helicase unwilling of the mainly strand and separation postular synthesis of new strand topoisomerase relax of DNA and supercoiling nature. DNA guidage, revealing of the stain of the unwilling DNA helicase are the specific type of topoisomerase. DNA ligase, re-annealing or semi-conducting strand of a fragment of the lagging strand. Primase, provide a strand of DNA polymerase beginning to synthesis of new strand of lagging strand and the addition of the replication of the eukaryotic chromosome in the replication. Replication mechanism of factor of the involved in DNA replication in the process of ssDNA. Replication mechanism. This is the replication system, which is the sense of replication mechanism, which template DNA such as factor, replication factor, alternative figure, DNA figure of projection of DNA like cinematic film. Okay, the termination eukaryotic cell is chromosomal termination, and eukaryotic cells are different in the eukaryotic cells, and the replication control by the control of the cyclic cell cycle. In the growth of division progressively stage of cyclic DNA replication is placed during the S phase. Okay, thank you so much for hearing. Thank you so much.